So, Samsung unveiled this bad boy at their brand new convention. And it is a very interesting looking design. By the way, shout out to Phone Arena for posting this and Daniel for posting this article. But this is Samsung's new chance or new option for a flex hybrid display. Now, listen, it's a little chunky. It is. But I do really like that Samsung's pushing the envelope here and trying to make it a little bit more of a futuristic type design. And I think overall, why is it looks a little kind of chunky right now, kind of a little weird right now, but over time this will, again, in theory, be a lot better. So Samsung has confirmed that it's working on a double foldable phone during its everlasting evolution of displays with AI keynote speech at the IMID 2024 Expo in Korea. A double foldable phone. So, like, we're just going to throw thickness completely out the window and say we're just working on the best product possible? You know, that could work. Not as a cell phone, but this would be more of a actual tablet type design. I know it's considered a phone, but I would say this would be probably more or less like an actual tablet. Samsung introduces a foldable phone, 7+ inch displays with 6G on the horizon. The demand for even larger displays will increase. So that's kind of what this is. They want to make a larger version of a foldable cell phone. And it looks like they don't want to go toward the tri-foldable phone yet. Obviously, we've seen a lot of talk and, actually a tri-foldable phone that will be coming out recently. And I think that kind of probably sparked up a little interest for Samsung here, saying, whoa, we could kind of make a very similar looking product or a similar type product. But maybe they don't want to go with tri-foldable phones because the one thing about Samsung is, and they kind of have this Apple type, and I know, again, Samsung Apple, they have this kind of Apple mentality a little bit of they want to create products that are actually really, like, quality-wise good. Like, they want to be known, okay, Samsung's the company. If you want to get a foldable cell phone, if you want to get any type of foldable, you're getting a good foldable if you go through Samsung, right? While, if you go through other companies, you might have some issues, some problems, whatever. They're not just going to release a product that's going to flop. Or, I guess, Microsoft Surface Duo. I kind of had to take the shot right there. But, hey, yeah. I'll be interested to see if this does come out. I don't think it will come out like this. This is just a prototype. Keep this in mind. It's a prototype for the convention. A 99% chance it's not going to look anything like this. It would probably maybe have some similarities, but it's going to look nothing like this at the end of the day. This is just a prototype that obviously, again, early on, just to kind of show the concept. And that's what a lot of these are. They're just prototypes to show the concept design. Hey, look, this is what we could do. This is how this could look, and kind of see what people are thinking. And then they can kind of, master it over time. If they do decide to release it, they can actually, work on it a little bit more and kind of perfect it. But this is just early on, guys. Keep that in mind. This is just early on looks, but it doesn't look that bad. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.